I'm doing this. For our backyard, we're gonna make this. Okay, that'll work. I hope. There's a rope set. Oh my god. I could take this tree. I gotta check out my backyard. Oh, I might not be done. Let's check out what else we have here. Put this right here for safety. Let's check out all these other ones. Oh, everything's the same. I wasn't expecting that. Let's see. Oh. What's all that? I don't know. Built-in castle. I'm gonna get this. And put this in my amazing house. Decoration. Okay, all this stuff over here is cool. Let's get a statue. Cause why not? Alright, that's the last thing we're putting. Oh, this one should really go. Okay, I'm just gonna put this right there. Okay, let's check out the house now. Yo. Oh, it's like a trampoline. I didn't know that. Woo! Climb up these wanky stairs. Oh! I think right there should be good. I'm about to hit the craziest trick shot you have ever seen in New Monkey Blocks. New Monkey Blocks. Oh boy, too far. Okay, so second one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 out. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to do that glitch where you go small and then you get to where you're trying to. That didn't really work out. "2024, the craziest trick shot you have ever seen somebody do in the New Monkey Blocks. Let's give it up for Outer Moon VR. Hey! You got some little decor. I like this. Nothing to see. Now, the best thing you've ever seen. Catapult. Woo! That's fun. that's gonna wrap it up for my video. If you like it, leave a like, obviously. If you like my channel, check out my other videos. Subscribe if you like my channel, please. It'll help out so much. But yeah, that's everything for Monkey Blox. See ya.